Cameroon, acting like Cameroon, acting like Cameroon, acting like Cameroon.
My name is Wams, Mr. Classy. This is my message to you, you gotta listen to me. Oh, this is a clarion call, this is the planet's call, you gotta listen to me. Small tin become small tin. No, they gotta become small tin. Small tin become small tin become no, they gotta become even janga tin become. This is my earth song, I'm singing for the planet. My earth song, environmental anthem. This my earth song, reverse the pollution curve. Healthy planet, healthy people. Thank you, Recessed.
The capital city of the southwest region. We are a couple of meters away from Mount Cameroon. Mount Cameroon is the highest point in West and Central Africa. It has been a very rainy day. We came to the city on climate emergency day. We send a message to the public out here that there is a climate emergency and Cameroon cannot be left out. We are joining the different countries across the world to send a message that the powers that be must act in time, because we have only 4 years more to keep global emissions below 1.5 degrees centigrade.
My name is Elongole Armstrong, and I'm a member of Climate Club Cameroon. We are here to tell the community it is time for us to act. We have less than 4 years to act, and the clock is ticking.
We are so very happy the message has gone through, the message has gone out, so we feel happy. Let's go. Thank you very much.
Carton rouge à la déforestation.
Hello, my name is Shumo Trust, and I'm very excited today to join Climate Club. And on my placard, I'm advocating that we should stop climate criminals, those who are polluting our environment, those who are emitting, and we are saying that we are not going to give them the opportunity to keep buying time and destroying our planet. Because we are saying that there is no time to waste, and we should reforest our mountain that has been deforested by human for farming activities, housing, and settlement.
Climate Club, Cameroon, Cameroon, Climate Club, Climate Club, Climate Club.
Hi, my name is Father Cameroon. We are counting down from 4 years today. Drought and irregular seasons, food insecurity abound. It's time to act for food. It's time to act for change. It's time to take action. It is time to act, to take urgent measures for climate change.
My name is Asaba Joshua, a lecturer student in Environmental Science University of Boya. We are out today to sensitize the public. We have 4 years to prevent ourselves from going above the 1.5 mark. We have 4 years to restore our forests, to restore our mangrove system, our mangrove, to restore our ecosystem.
My name is Angie, call me Wams. I'm the country lead for Climate Club Cameroon. We just got done with our climate emergency day walk in Boya. We are at the municipal council of the city of Boya. We have met with authorities of this municipality to discuss some of the climate challenges plaguing this city. And what they take home from this is that we are looking at possible areas of collaboration with the council as far as climate sensitization is concerned using the Climate Club. As you can see for yourself, the message has gone through that Cameroon cannot be left out. We need to join the world to take action, to act in time, for we have just 4 years. Climate Club, 4 years. Climate Club,
4 years.
Cameroon,
Act in time.
Cameroon,
Act in time.